To send cryptocurrency to an address, you need to follow a series of steps that ensure a secure and successful transaction. First, you must have a cryptocurrency wallet, either on a cryptocurrency exchange or a standalone wallet. Choose the wallet that holds the cryptocurrency you want to send and log into it. Next, navigate to the Send or Withdraw section of your wallet, where you will find a form to input the recipient's address and the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. The recipient's address is usually a long string of letters and numbers, and it is crucial to copy and paste it to avoid any typos or errors. Before proceeding, make sure you have enough funds in your wallet to cover the transaction, including any applicable fees. The fees are usually paid to the miners who verify the transactions on the blockchain, and they can vary depending on the network congestion and the type of cryptocurrency. Once you have entered the recipient's address and the amount, review the transaction details carefully, including the amount, the address, and the fees. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction, and the cryptocurrency will be sent to the recipient's address. It is essential to note that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, so double-check the address before confirming the transaction. Additionally, be aware of the transaction processing time, which can range from a few seconds to several hours, depending on the cryptocurrency and the network congestion. To increase the security of your transactions, consider using a hardware wallet, which stores your private keys offline, and enable two-factor authentication on your wallet. Also, keep your wallet and device up to date with the latest security patches and updates. In conclusion, sending cryptocurrency to an address requires careful attention to detail and a basic understanding of the process. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure secure and successful transactions, and take advantage of the benefits of cryptocurrency.